Let's get straight to the point. Does TikTok actually tell someone if you screenshot or screen record their video or DM? You have probably seen mixed answers online. And trust me, I've done the digging so you don't have to. Let's clear it all up. No fluff, just facts. Alright, here's your quick answer. No, TikTok does not notify users when you screenshot or screen record their videos, at least as of now in 2025. That includes public videos, profiles, captions, even TikTok comments. You can screenshot or record those, and TikTok won't send any kind of alert to the creator. But what about TikTok DMs? A lot of people assume it's like Snapchat and you'll get notified, but again, TikTok does not notify users if you screenshot or screen record a private message. Still, use your judgment. If something is personal or private, always be respectful. Now, just because you can screenshot or record without someone knowing doesn't mean you should misuse that, especially if you're thinking of reposting someone's content. TikTok has clear rules about copyright and reposting. If you're screen recording someone else's content, don't post it without credit or permission. That can lead to your video being removed or your account getting flagged. Let me just compare this with a few other apps or platforms. Snapchat will always notify users if you screenshot or snap. If you screenshot a snap or chat. Instagram doesn't notify for screenshots or posts of stories, but it does for disappearing DMs. And lastly, TikTok, so far they haven't rolled out any screenshot notifications, not for post DMs or anything else. Now, this is important. Features on apps change all the time. TikTok could absolutely introduce screenshot notifications down the line, especially for DMs or sensitive content. So it's always a good idea to stay up to date. And if they do update this, I'll be sure to let you know right here.